Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I'm going to do a quick update on Sofi banking. Now, Sofi is a company that's been around for about 8 years, and back then, their main focus was student loans. Now they've moved into the whole banking sector, and the neat part about it is they're willing to pay you and me not only to open an account with them, but when I say they're willing to pay us, I mean they're actually offering interest on your the money in your account. Now that's very, very interesting, because if you think about the big traditional banks out there on the high streets, on the main streets, they're not paying anything for us to keep our money with them. So I'm talking about the big banks, the Bank of Americas, the Wells Fargos, the Chase banks. They don't pay anything for you to have access to your own money. Sofi is a little different. They're new, they're innovative. Think Uber, the Uber of banking, or think the Amazon. As Amazon is to shopping, so also is Sofi to the banking industry. So they're taking money out of the hands of the big time advertisers and they're putting it into your hands, into my hands. They want us to refer them to our friends, our family, our colleagues, and they are happy to pay us $100 for each person who opens an account with them and funds their account with $100. So look at it as a part-time job. All you have to do, recommend people with your personalized link, and once they get excited at the fact that they can put their salaries, their money in a bank that will pay them, I think right now they're paying 1.60% on your money, then, that is pretty exciting. The bank I bank in with right now is one of the big name banks. They don't pay me anything for keeping my money with them. It's if anything, they charge me. If I use my card at another ATM, I get charged. If I go over, write a check over my balance, they charge. So it's like I'm paying them so I can keep my money with them. But Sofi, very, very radical, very different, very Uberish, and what they're doing is they're paying. That is a major incentive for me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how much I have earned in the last, I want to say 7 days since I've had this account. So I'm going to log in right here. If it'll let me in. Okay. Just give me a second. Let me log right in. Apologies to my computer. I'm due a new computer. Hopefully this Christmas I'll get myself a brand new computer. But in the meantime, this one's pretty slow. In. Almost. So here we are, I'm in my account, and you can see here the balance right now is $425.09. Now in the 7 days, well, at the time I had the account for 5 days, I actually got 9 cents. I got 9 cents on my $100. So that's the interest. Of course it's not a lot because it was only for, I think, 4 or 5 days. And I am going to click on this because there are two types of accounts. You can have a regular money account, which is just similar to your checking account, or an individual investing account. I have opened it, but I haven't funded it yet. So that's the difference. I'll explain what this is all about in another video. So let's stay with the money account. And I want to show you how let me see. Yep, here it is. So we're going to go to, like I said, about a week ago-ish, I opened the account. I funded it with $100. I referred a couple of people, and you can see the bonuses here. I got 2 bonuses like 3 days after I opened my account. I got another one 4 days after I opened my account, and I got one. Oh, and then I decided to, you know, just kind of play around with the account. I wanted to transfer some money, just see how quickly things move around. So I put $25, transferred $25 to my Sofi account, and in the 5 days in which I had my $100 there, I earned 9 cents. So that's nice. This is 9 cents more than the banks pay me on all my money, and this is only on $100. So that's exciting to know. So there's another referral bonus. So far I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 people I've referred who have opened accounts and funded their accounts, and I have got $100. Now, each of the people that I referred also would have gotten $50 for referring. Sorry, not for referring, but for, like, as a welcome bonus for just opening their account. Okay, so here's my grand total, $425. So the only investment for me has been $125. I still have $100 pending that hasn't cleared, so one of my referrals hasn't cleared yet. And right here you can see this is the $425.09 that has cleared. So this is mine to spend right now. I still have another referral bonus that's yet to clear, and then I would have made a clean $400.09 in just 1 week, and simply by referring friends and family. We have the interest rate that they're paying right now, 1.60% right there. You have your banking details here, your routing number, your account number. Now, if we go up here into the alerts, I think this is where it is. Just give me a second. Okay, so we have some alerts here that I got. Well, remember I said I have an investment account I opened, so I've already put some like an alert on some of my watch lists, some of the stock that I'm watching, but that's not for this video. A week ago, I transferred money into the account. I requested my debit card. It got shipped out. They said it would arrive on the 13th of November. They lied. It came a week earlier. I got the debit card and I've already activated it. And I wanted to start spending, but I wanted to equally make this video to show the full balance before I start using it. So that's that. And probably one last thing I want to show before I end this video. So back here again on the money page, the Sofi money page, we click on more, and it takes you here. It just highlights the benefits of opening this account, the interest, which is awesome. ATM fees are reimbursed. I believe it's at the end of every month. So if you incur charges from using your debit card at other ATMs, then that gets reimbursed. They don't charge any account fees, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it for the benefits of opening an account with Sofi. So don't forget, the holidays are upon us, and this is as good as getting a part-time job just to bring in a little extra change. You know, we all can use that little extra at this time of the year. And if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. If and when you do open an account with the link I've placed below in the comment box below, let me know how it's going for you as far as your referrals. And I will meet you in the next video.